In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Stripe with Base44. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully connect these two platforms, enabling you to handle payments seamlessly within your application. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the Base44 dashboard, featuring various options for managing your applications and integrations. Next, look for the Integrations option on the dashboard. This is typically located in the main navigation menu. Click on it to access the Integration section, where you can explore different services that can be connected to your app. Once you're in the Integration section, locate and click on the Integrations tab again. This will take you to the Integrations catalog, which displays a variety of pre-built integrations available for use. After that, scroll through the catalog until you find the section labeled Discover Pre-Built Integrations that let you connect to APIs, services, and tools to extend your app's capabilities. Click on this section to view more options. Next, find and click on the Connectors option. This will lead you to a list of connectors available for integration, including popular services like Stripe. Pay attention to any messages indicating the availability of quick OAuth connections. Now look for the Stripe option in the list of connectors. Click on it to proceed to the Stripe integration page, where you will find detailed instructions and options for connecting your Stripe account to Base44. Once you are on the Stripe integration page, click on the How to Use link. This section provides essential information about the integration process and what to expect when connecting Stripe to your application. Next, click on the Get Started button to initiate the integration process. This action will guide you through the necessary steps required to set up the Stripe integration effectively. You will then receive a message prompting you to navigate to your app's Integrations tab to connect Stripe and receive personalized prompts. Make sure to follow these prompts carefully to ensure a successful integration. It's important to note that this integration requires back-end functions, which are only available on the Builder tier and above. If you are on a lower tier, consider upgrading your plan to access these features. After reviewing the requirements, you can return to the home page by clicking the designated option. From there, proceed to click on Apps in the main menu to continue with the integration. Select the specific project you want to integrate with Stripe. This step is crucial as it determines where the integration will be applied. On the prompt or AI chat feature, type in Integrate Stripe to initiate the integration process. Make sure to enter the command accurately to avoid any issues. Finally, press Enter to execute the command. This will trigger the integration process, allowing you to finalize the connection between Stripe and your Base44 application. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.